Hey guys, it's Lauren from the Tealight Planner Co, and I am here today to show you guys the new releases in the shop. So let's go ahead and get started. I am really excited about this one, so I'm excited to show you guys. First off, I'm going to show you guys the new full kit, and here it is. It's called Mountain Camping, and here is your deco sheet. Getting kind of a glare from the sun, but these are your stickers, and they're just super cute. Now, I'm not going to lie, I am not a camping type person. It's just not really my thing. I'm not a big outdoorsy girl, but this kit I think is really cute. So even if I'm not going to be camping this summer or fall, I am going to use this in my planner anyways because I think it's really cute. But yeah, so here is the full boxes. You got mountains, you've got the tents, and a fire going, and then a night sky with mountains. It's just really pretty. I'm really excited about this kit. Okay, and then the next page are their checklists. So you have your checklists and the pretty images behind your checklist, and then you have these, and then glitter headers. And I also added something new. So now my kits from now on, which I need to go through all my old kits and add it, but that might be in the future. I'm not ready to do that yet. But I finally have the name of the kit and then what page it is on the sheet. And I'm glad that I finally sat down and did that. But yeah, that's what this one has. So these are the checklists. And then you have your half boxes. But here are the half boxes and quarter boxes. And then you have your functional page. Looks like this. Then you have your weekly page. The weekly cover is mountain and some flowers. Then you get functional stickers, and the coffee break one is different. It's a coffee mug. Usually I do like the to-go cups, but that is a coffee mug for the coffee break sticker. It's really cute. I like it. And then here's your washi page. So for the second washi, I decided to do like a night sky because I kind of feel like it goes along with the full boxes really well. And then you have your tent in the middle and mountains on either side. I think it's really pretty. So that's your washi page, and then these scallop headers, which I really like using those. So that is Mountain Camping. So that's the full kit that was added to the shop. And then I have two journal kits to show you guys. So the first journal kit is kit 53, and it is a back to school journal kit. So we have the add-on sheet. You don't have to get this with the journal kit if you don't want to, but if you do, it's an option. And then you have your journal kit. So here's the first page. Just a lot of school supplies and florals. It's really cute. Here's your second page. You have like a school bus, multiplication, a plus sign, equals sign, and just really cute stuff. Books, bags. I really like it. And in case you're wondering, I have used this clip art before. I used it last year in a back to school kit, and that kit is still available in my shop. So if you want a full kit that kind of looks like this, I have one. It's already in my shop, and now there's a matching journal kit to go with it. And then here are the paint swatch stickers, which are really pretty. And these, in case you're wondering, are in a separate listing. So you can get this with the journal kit, or you can get it separately, or you don't have to get it at all. It's just an option. It's just fun layering stickers. It adds a lot to your planner spreads. Okay, and then the last journal kit, the mountain camping one. So we have your add-on sheet. Alright, so here's your first page. It's so pretty. These images are so cute. And then here is the second page. But just really cute. I am super excited about this journal kit. This one might be one of my favorites, to be honest. This one, and I really like the Western Sky one. That's one of my favorites. I have a lot, but this one is right up there. And then your paint swatch stickers. And then I have one more thing to show you guys. So it's this deco sheet. It goes right along with the mountain camping kit and journal kit. And it's just a bunch of decorative stickers, which are really cute. So this is great to add on with the other with the full kit and the journal kit if you want to, or you can get it separately. You can get this and the paint swatch stickers, you know, completely up to you. But it's super cute. I really like this sheet. Just a lot of fun stickers, great for journaling, great for scrapbooking, planning, you know, whatever. Alright you guys, so these are the new releases for this week. I'm very excited about them. I hope you guys like them as well. And I also wanted to mention that these were released on June 30th, and I'm having a July 4th sale, July 2nd through the 4th. So definitely check out my shop during the sale if you want to get a good discount. All my social media links are down below, so definitely check those out. Join our email list and you'll get a permanent 15% discount that you can use anytime you want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.